Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw Tron from Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application, and once it will be open, sign in your account in which you withdraw your Trons. And once you've done all, let's scroll down and find our Trons. And on the last, you can see the Crypto Tron. Just click on it, and here you will see few options. From this, you have to click on the option Send. On the first number, you have to enter the address or domain name of that wallet in which you want to withdraw your Trons. For example, I want to withdraw all these in my Binance account. So that's why I will minimize my Trust wallet and will open my Binance. Once your Binance will be open, take a look on the right top. You can see the option of add funds. Or maybe in your Binance, you have the option of deposit. Both are same. So select which one you have. The next thing is we have to tap on the option deposit crypto. And here we have to search for TRX. Or you can also write Trons. On the first number, you will see the desired crypto. So just click on Trons. And here, you also have to select Trons, which is on the first number. Just copy the deposit address. Now, minimize your Binance application and open the Trust wallet. On the top, you have to paste that address. And once you paste the code, here you have to enter the Tron amount which you want to withdraw. And once you enter your amount, the next option will be enabled. Currently, I don't have any Tron, so that's why I cannot move to next page. But if you have the amount, then enter the amount and then click on the option next and confirm your transaction. And it was the way by which you can withdraw Trons from Trust Wallet.